Let's shrink your large PDF files down to size without ruining their quality. To do this, we are going to use a completely free online tool that does not require you to install any sketchy software. Open up your preferred web browser on your computer or phone and head over to your search engine. Type in iLovePDF, written as all one word, and hit enter. Click on the official link for ilovepdf.com to open their main dashboard. Once you are on the homepage, you will see a massive grid of different document tools. Find the option that says Compress PDF and click directly on it. This brings you to a new page with a large red button labeled Select PDF Files. Go ahead and click that button, which will automatically open up your System File Explorer or Finder. Now, navigate to the specific folder where your heavy PDF is stored. Select the file and click Open to upload it to the platform. With your files successfully uploaded, look over at the right-hand side of your screen. You will see three distinct compression level options: extreme compression, recommended compression, and less compression. The important thing to keep in mind here is the trade-off between file size and visual appearance. If you choose extreme compression, you will get the smallest possible file size, but your images and text might look slightly blurry. If you choose less compression, your quality remains pristine, but you will not save much disk space. For the best balance, select recommended compression. This option significantly reduces the file size while keeping the document looking sharp and professional. After selecting recommended compression, click the big Compress PDF button at the bottom. The website will process your file in just a few seconds. Once it finishes, a message will appear telling you exactly what percentage of file size you saved. Your browser should automatically start downloading the newly optimized PDF. If it does not, simply click the Manual Download Compressed PDF button. You can now open your System Downloads folder to find your smaller, lightweight file ready to be emailed or uploaded anywhere. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.